How to add a clock widget on your Samsung phone that's currently running Android 15 One UI 7.0. Just for a quick info, after the One UI 7.0 update, the Samsung clock widgets are no longer expandable, meaning that they will not get any bigger than the set size they are. So you're gonna go to the Google Play Store and go ahead and install the clock widget app from the Google itself. So those are awesome, they're expandable, and let's get started. Once you finish installing the Google Clock Widget app itself, go ahead and long press a blank area on your home screen like this here for your Samsung phone, and you're gonna go to where it says widgets right there. As you enter into the widgets section, you'll have this here, and you wanna go down and go to the one that has this clock icon, not the one that looks like that, this one right here. This is going to be the one from Google itself. And if you're looking to add an analog clock style here, which is this one there, just go ahead and tap on it once and then press add. Once you do that, you'll be taken to this section here where you will get options for the different styles of analog clocks, and you got about 4 of them. And if you want the one you saw early on in the video, it would be this one here. Once it appears like this here, you'll be able to expand it by pulling on these tabs here. And on top of that, if you want to, say you tapped away here, you can long press it and drag it over to another page on your home screen or to the one that has apps itself. Okay, now this is only going to fit if it has space for your widget to fit. Now, if you just so happen to want to edit it again, you long press the widget itself and you can adjust the tabs here like that, or going into the settings by long pressing it a second time to get access to the menu, and go to settings and you'll be able to choose yourself another one. Like and sub.